Analogies of Solidity Smart Contract. Analogy 1. Voting System. How to distribute voting rights to the proper people and how to prevent manipulation are the primary issues with electronic voting. With Solidity language, the proposal with the most votes will be returned by winning proposal function at the conclusion of the voting period. Analogy 2. Safe remote purchase. Currently, purchasing products remotely requires several individuals, all of whom must have mutual trust. The shipment in this case is difficult to track because there is no way to confirm with certainty that the item reached the buyer. This problem can be solved with Solidity language contract, which gives an overview of how it can use state machine-like constructs inside a contract. Analogy 3. Micropayments channel. It employs cryptographic signatures to make repeated Ether transfers between the same parties safe, quick, and fee-free. Solidity language uses signatures to authorize transactions, which is possible with smart contracts on Ethereum. It builds a simple smart contract that lets transmit Ether, but instead of calling a function, it automatically initiates a payment.